FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Practice English with me. I ask black and you say red. Today topic is nighttime routine. Me, I am curious. What's your usual routine before going to bed at night? You. First I brush my teeth and wash my face with warm water. Me, that's a good start. Do you use any skincare products too? You. Yes, I use a gentle cleanser and a light moisturizer for my skin. Me. Nice. After that, do you change into something comfortable? You. I do. I put on soft pajamas and sometimes wear cozy socks. Me. Sounds relaxing. What do you usually do next? You. I tidy up my room, turn off bright lights and make my bed. Me. Do you use your phone or computer before sleeping? You. I try not to. I read a book or write in my journal instead. Me. That's smart. Does writing help you feel calm? You. Yes, it's clear my mind and helps me sleep better. Me. What time do you usually go to sleep? You. Around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. I try to get enough rest. Me. That's great. Thanks for sharing your routine with me. Subscribe our channel for more practices. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.